Welcome to the Silk Walk Studio. We are there on time today, and we have a beautiful collection of specially curated silk sarees for Onam. Friends, if you are there on today's live, please let us know. Give us your hearts, give us your comments, give us your likes, and let us know that you are there so that we can start very quickly. We have very few sarees to show you today. I think it's only about 10 or 12 sarees. So we'll finish off with the live. We do not want to disturb you with your weekend plans. So if you are there, please let us know. We'll just start off very quickly.
Madhu said hi.
Hi, Mother.
Some other person said we can't read.
Okay. Hi, guys. So we have Onam special sarees. We also have a few pure silk sarees. The Onam special sarees, it can be restocked, but I would request you, like if you are not taking them for Onam, you can just tell that we can wait the order after a week or so, and we will be able to dispatch the sari after a week. You can book the sari, but we will do the dispatch later. But please give preference for our Kerala friends who would be booking these saris. So let us know that beforehand. If it is not a hurry, please let us know so that we can dispatch it later. We'll get the same sari again, not an issue.
Deepa says hi.
Hi, Deepa.
Is the one that you're wearing Onam special?
No. It's a simple cotton sari from my, this is not for sale also. It's from my own.
Sandhya says hey.
Hi, Sandhya. Sandhya Kaburia.
Divya says hi.
Hi, Divya.
Sisu says hi.
Hi, Sisu. Shall we start?
Varsha says hi. I like
Hi,
you
Da.
and your collection.
Thank you, Varsha. Thank you.
Shweta says hi.
Hi, Da.
Yep, we can start.
So I think we'll start off with the saris. First, I'm going to start with the Onam special saris. So the first one is priced at 5,900. So these saris are all pure silk. They are either in raw silk, and this one alone, the first one what I'm going to show you is a tussar silk sari. All are pure desi tussars. Price of this is 5,900, and they are all hand woven.
Hema
Hema
says
says-
hi.
Hi, Hema.
Another Hema also says hi.
Okay, hi. So to start with, it's a tussar sari with
Madhu
a
said
maroon.
hi.
Hi, Madhu.
Sagari said hi, dear.
Hi, Da. So 5,900 is the price of this sari. Okay, it has temple borders in maroon. That's the pallu, and it comes with a blouse like this. Okay, 5,900. Very soft, easy drape, very light in weight, easy maintenance. So you just have, first time I think you have to give it for a dry cleaning. Okay. The next one. This is the sari. It has a double zari border, if you can see, and it's in a raw silk sari. It's in a raw silk. Price of the sari is 5,500. They are all pure silk, as I told you. Buttery soft.
Priyadarshini says hi.
Hi, Priyadarshini.
Priyanka says hello.
Hi, Ida. Hi, Priyanka. So as you can see, buttery soft, very light in weight, and it's going to really look so very well for Onam. So this is the sari. It has a double border, as you can see, on one side, and when you're pleating it up, it's going to look like this.
Vijaya says hi, Joanna.
Hi, Vijaya ma'am. That's the pallu. Okay, beautiful gold zari pallu, and that's the blouse. Comes with a blouse of the same color. If you want, you can match. Mostly they match it with a maroon blouse or a green blouse. That's how it is. So, a very pretty saree for 5,500. So then this one is also a tussar saree. Price of the saree is 6,450. So it comes with a contrast raw silk blouse in maroon, and I'm going to open the saree for you. This one is also a tussar silk saree. So the whole of the saree has small maroon color booties all over the body. I'm going to come closer and show you. So that's how the saree booties are. Small floral buttas. Even the pallu is of the same design. As I told you, it comes with a maroon color blouse like this. Okay, price of this is 6,450.
Evangeline says, Joe, what you are wearing is super.
Thank you, Evangeline. Thanks, da. Idu nama collection da. For a long time it was staying there, so I took it for myself. Okay, the next one is one of my favorites. Again, a raw silk saree. 5,500 is the price. And we have had similar raw silk in different colors. For one of the videos, I was wearing it in a light purple or a mauve sort of a shade. So it's the same one in an ivory color with gold zari buttas all over the body. Sorry, gold zari checks all over the body. So that's how it is. The saree is very, very pretty. As I told you, lightweight, easy drape. That's the pallu. Comes with the same color blouse, but you can match it with a different blouse. A beautiful saree. Price of this is 5,500. The next one is also at 5,500. Onam special. The saree is in raw silk. Okay, I hope the shine is visible. Yapa, theriyudha video lo.
Yeah.
The saree has a very beautiful sheen, and that's the saree. Comes with a single border on both sides. Comes with a very beautiful pallu and gold zari, and comes with a blouse. Okay, price of this is also at 5,500. So now we are moving on to a set of pure soft silk sarees. Okay, they are priced somewhere 8,000 rupees. So this one, what you are seeing is, a sort of a pink shade priced at 7,900. That's the motive. Okay. Single tone saree. Has beautiful zari motifs all over the body. Antique gold zari. That's the pallu. Comes with the blouse. Same color blouse. 7,900 is the price. Okay, so now we have one in a brown shade. A coffee brown. I know for sure this is going to fly. A beautiful saree with an antique gold zari. A very, very pretty one. That's the pallu. That's the blouse. 7,900 is the price. Okay, the next one we have a partly pallu saree, the half saree type. So that's the body in a wine sort of a color. That's the pallu. It comes with a contrast ikat designed ikat work blouse, and the pallu is also an ikat work.
Desi Girl at Heart says unique combo.
Thank you.
Shetty says nice.
Thank you.
Sandhya says pink looks beautiful.
Thank you, Da. So that's how this is. That's the partly pallu. Half sari type. That's the pallu.
Divya says beautiful saris.
Thank you. So the price of the sari is 7450. The next one 7450 again. So this one is in a nice orange and a very different combination, an orange and a blue. Very pretty this one is. Has small zari buttas all over the body, if you can see. Okay, in gold and in silver. Comes with a contrast pallu and a blouse.
Sahana says nice.
Thank you.
How to order?
Yeah, these saris are still not on the website. The silk saris that I'm showing you will be on the website in about, at least by tonight. And the Onam special saris, probably tomorrow we will be uploading, but please book them offline, especially the Onam special saris, because we would like to ship them tomorrow itself. Okay, the next one
You
is
have to
also...
mention the WhatsApp number for them to.
Yeah. I'll tell you the WhatsApp number 7676025364. You can find the number on our bio. So this one is a beautiful orange and a pink shade. Has buttas over the body like this. That's the pallu. Comes with a contrast yellow color blouse, and it also has this yellow color partly pallu design on the pleats. That's the pleat section. 7450 is the price. A beautiful sari. If you wish, please book this. The next one also is a partly pallu kind. This one is also a very unique combo. It comes with a purple body like this. The pallu is like this, and that's the blouse. Contrast green color. And that's the pleat section. Pleat section is also quite different like this. Okay, romba different ana combo. If you want this, please take. Okay, so we have come to the last sari of the day. This is one sari which is priced at 7450. A green with a pink combo. Green venu, naraya per kekanga. So I wanted to show you this sari. A beautiful soft silk, pure soft silk sari with borders, with tissue borders on both sides. Comes with an attractive pallu in pink, and that's the blouse in a pink. The pink is dual toned. A beautiful sari. Price of the sari is 7450. No much of interaction today.
Nope.
I think people are all resting. So we've come to the end of the live. Any questions? Please let us know. Well, you all know the booking procedure. Please take a screenshot of the sari that you like to book and message us at 7676025364. You can buy them through our website also. These saris will be uploaded tomorrow. The silk saris hopefully will be uploaded by tonight. So you can buy them from our website as well. So you can find these saris under the exclusives category and the raw silk saris under the raw silk category. Well, I think we'll close the show. Thank you so much for joining. Stay happy and stay safe.
Richa says I want this. I think the previous one.
The green
Last
one. Okay, Richa. Definitely.
Veena said very nice.
Thank you, Veena. Veena Shetty.
No, different one. Thanks, very nice collection.
Thank you guys. See you. Bye bye.